This is Rob Polgar with Polgar Tree in Tecumseh. So I just confirmed with the homeowner on some recent windstorm damage over the last couple days. Had busted the tree up. It's the neighbor's tree, but the garage is in a position where if anything breaks from any further wind damage, the structure is going to get messed up. So we're removing the two limbs. We're taking out two limbs. The one over the garage here, which you can see, that's the neighbor's ladder, or the homeowners. And then this limb right here. So let's take a look at this tree here.